In this video, I'm going to show you how to add drop shadow in CapCut. So as you can see, I have this video right here. Now what we're gonna have to do is duplicate this video, and then I'm going to take the second one, this one, and then I'm going to overlay this. So at the bottom, select overlay and make sure you place this below the main one. Now what we're gonna have to do is simply select the second one and make it smaller, just like this. Now we're gonna have to select the main one, the one above, and then add a blur effect. So simply tap on effects, video effects, and then simply use blur, just like this. Now in order to add the drop shadow effect, what we're gonna have to do is simply tap on the plus button, and then from here we just have to add a black background. So I'm going to choose this one at the bottom. Then again, make sure we select overlay here, and then from here we just have to drag this and place it here. So we just have to place this the below the second one, which is this one here. So let me resize this. Now we're gonna have to open the layers tab. So I'm going to select one of the clips and then simply go to layers. So tap on layers here, and I'm going to choose back like this. And then we just have to basically resize this so we can make this bigger, just like this. Now we're gonna have to select the black background and then go to mask. So simply swipe until you see mask, then choose rectangle and then make this a little bit bigger, just like this. Now, as you can see, we have this arrow to add a shadow drop like this. And basically, that's how you can create a drop shadow effect in CapCut. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.